You do it every single night. But did you know this habit could be a silent threat to your home and your health? Charging your phone while you sleep seems harmless, but modern technology carries risks we often ignore until it is too late. In the 1800s, people were so terrified of electricity leaking that they actually wore insulated boots to bed just to feel safe. Today we laugh at those fears, yet we sleep with a powerful chemical battery inches from our heads every single night. Lithium-ion batteries suffer from microcycling when kept at 100%, which wears down the battery and shortens its overall life. Heat is the enemy. Covering a charging phone with a blanket prevents cooling, creating a fire hazard warned about by safety experts. Furthermore, the blue light from late-night notifications disrupts your melatonin production, significantly lowering your quality of sleep. Stay safe. Charge on hard surfaces. Use original cables. Keep the charge between 20 and 80% and maintain some distance. Always enable the optimized battery charging setting on your device. It is a simple step that protects your phone and your safety. Electricity has come a long way since the 1800s, but your safety still depends on how you use it every day. Did this change your routine? Like, comment your thoughts, and share this video to keep your friends safe. Thanks for watching.